What's going on, y'all? It's your boy JB. Man, y'all, I recorded some good footage on my GoPro. To come find out, none of the footage really recorded. I looked on the side of the GoPro and I saw the red light indicator that it was on. So whole time I thought it was recording, but come find out it really wasn't. And some of the audio that I did capture, it was just like too much wind noise. So I might be done with this GoPro, the Hero 9. So I just left Best Buy and copped a DJI Osmo Action 4. Bam. So I'm gonna give this a run. I heard good things about it, and pretty much almost better than a GoPro in comparison of a GoPro 12, because I got a GoPro 9, the Hero Black, and it's older, but it still do the job, man. Honestly, a lot of this stuff is pretty much the same stuff, just with a little bit of tweaks in it though. But I'm gonna get this a go. But I do have the exhaust installed, you guys. I picked it up yesterday. They were done Thursday. They were done Thursday morning. I dropped it off Monday. I dropped it off Monday, and I ended up picking it up Thursday. So that wasn't too bad, man, for a full M4 exhaust. Sound good. So I'm gonna give y'all a sound check. So we back with another video, y'all. Today is the day we drop to get the exhaust installed.
Cowlings and with the exhaust and everything.
Man, that thing look good.
Okay. You can see how this side panel, see how it's kind of bowed out here?
Mm-hmm.
We did that to get it away from the exhaust more. If you look down through here, you can see how close it is. And if we were to push this back in, it would be right up against it. Especially down here where my fingers are at, you can see how tight it really is. I mean, it's hard to see.
I kind of see it.
But if you stick your hand in here, you can feel how tight it is.
So when I talked to the guy, he said it was supposed to be like some type of spacers.
You would have to take the ECU out and send it to somebody to have them reprogram it.
Right. Check this one out. This one nice too. Oh, this is 600. CBR. Cowley. Man, y'all, that shit sound good as hell. Sound real good. And he was talking about the fender, the panel, or the fairing. How, I'm not sure if it'll pick up on the camera though, but how, let's see, focus, where the headers come down at and where the panel is. He was telling me that I might have to be worried about that part because it can pretty much burn the panel. Cold start. Full exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Got the axle mount, license plate bracket, took the underneath the one off because it was garbage junk to me, and I gotta clean under there. Mounting this up to the helmet, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Got the Z right here still, man, looking mighty clean. I got a video for y'all that I'm gonna do between the two. Just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so came to a parking lot, y'all, to get some footage for y'all. This is what the bike looked like without the big old suitcases on both sides. It give it a nice look, profile. It do kind of look naked on the left side, but that's all good. I love the exhaust, man. I love how it sounds. I don't think it's crazy loud. I know my girlfriend told me that it sounded loud to her, or of course from stock it's gonna be louder though, but to me it's just right, you know what I'm saying? Every exhaust bring is different, unique and different tone to it. So the reason why I went with an M4 exhaust is because I like the short look to it, the shorty muffler or whatever you want to call it. I like this look compared to the ones that, you know, come up to like right here, like how it is factory or whatever. I need to get this bike cleaned down, bro. But this the look that I like. So I know every exhaust, you know, like I said, brings its own unique characteristic to a bike. And also some people do it for performance, some people do it for the looks. I'm doing it for the looks, but also I heard good things about M4 and spoke to someone in regards of you know, been doing motorcycles for years, 20-30 plus years, said M4 makes a good exhaust. To each his own. I know Brock's is a great you know, one of the top brands out there, along with Yosh. But I have heard of M4 years ago before I even got into bikes or whatever. So and I just found out that they, you know, cater to the Hayabusas. I know they pretty much did more so like dirt bikes and some other things, you know, other bikes as well. So that's where that's at. Man, getting on the throttle, man, it sounds good. When you downshift, it's not even tuned, bro, and you can kind of hear that it want to make those pops, you know. So the bike will be getting tuned. Not sure when, but I'm going to get that tuned. I'm gonna play around with it, you know, drive it some more, get the feel for it. The bike has, I've been driving it, y'all, but I just haven't been driving it on camera. 356 miles. All right, that's enough. Man, I'm happy, y'all. I got a big smile on my face right now. I'm happy. So I know I was supposed to have been dropped this video, y'all. I'm gonna upload this video today. It's Saturday. I'm mad that the GoPro footage didn't upload. And I gotta figure this mic thing out. I gotta try to figure out how to reduce this wind noise when talking to y'all. And I'm gonna go from there, man. I gotta watch some more videos. But yeah, man, that's the new look right here, y'all. I love it. The bike will be getting stretched as well too. And I'm also going to do, still debating, man. It's gonna be a build. Not gonna do nothing crazy, but the wheels gonna get done. Might buy some new wheels or get the factory ones done, powder coated. And then I know for sure the swing arm is going to get powder coated. And then just do some little minor little touches, y'all. You know, let me show you guys. Oh, I swapped these bar ends out with the cone look. And there goes the chain guard with the Hayabusa. Oh, nah, bro. I didn't know this was on here. No free advertisement. No free advertisement. Can't have that on there. Take this off. Yes, sir. No free advertisement. Huh. Gave it better look, too. Oh. But yeah, man, it's your boy JB, man. Checking out. Until next time, y'all. Peace.